Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Any question you might have today is if you guys go on the 1 day 5 minute chart, I think you guys can see this significant drop from the overall, Nasdaq, and on top of that, the S&P 500. So there's two main reasons, if I'm not mistaken, that the overall market sold off today. One of them was due to manufacturer concerns. You can look a little bit more into that. There's a bunch of news out there, and if you want to make sense of that, that's up to you. But that report was literally just released today. One of the other things that was shared today was the overall idea that President Trump plans to or is threatening to revive the tariff to Brazil and Argentina. And this drop that we experienced today was not something that is so little, right? This is the lowest point that we've been at in the past 2 months, which is pretty significant if you pay attention to the overall market and why that's so important. And if you remember what happened about 2 months ago and that huge pullback that we experienced, one of the things that you'll notice is that back then 2 months ago, we also went through this trade war, tariffs war with China, right? That we were going to increase tariffs to China on all imported exported goods. So now what we're going through right now is, if you guys look on over here, and if you guys have TD Ameritrade or have any main brokerage, you should have access to this news. And if not, you guys can simply Google. But one of the things that you guys can see is it's a very simple kind of little article that was released that they plan to increase, or not increase, but revive the tariffs on both Brazil and Argentina for steel and aluminum. This is not good, as when we're increasing tariffs, that means that whatever country it is that we're increasing tariffs on, they're most likely not going to be as compliant when it comes down to working with us, which means for overall expansion purposes, it's not good news for our overall market. So I wanted to answer very quickly within the first minute of my video this very common question that we were getting today. Please make sure that you do your own due diligence, looking a little bit more into it, and what's to come when it comes down to the news of this like tariffs, right? Because when it comes down to what we went through with China, if you are scared about how much the overall market sold off today, just imagine if we continue to have this back and forth with China, with Brazil, and with Argentina. It's just not good news, and it doesn't look really good for our country. But if I'm not mistaken, Trump is using it for negotiation purposes. So hopefully it can be in our benefit, big picture, right? I did want to do a recap on the overall day, and I'll keep this very short and sweet. I closed out all my positions just like I do every single day. I took my first trade at 8:15 a.m. and my last trade at 9:05 a.m. So less than 1 hour of trading. And if you pay attention, hey, look, we're in December, a little green and red. Not bad for Christmas, but 2 day trades. Again, this is not normally how easy it is for me to hit my daily goal. So I've recently reduced my daily goal for the past month and a half to $500 profit a day. I've been doing a very good job. Last week, I hit over $4,000 profit with just really 3 days of trading because of the holidays. I took 2 day trades, took my first day trade, and then I averaged up, and I'll show you on the actual charts. And then I sold, and then I took another day trade about, what was that, maybe 30 minutes later, and then I sold at 9:05. So you can see for a total of $584 profit, I closed out all my trades. Diaz has been moving a lot, no question about it. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click show trades, and I love showing you guys because you guys really do enjoy it, where I buy and where I sell. And I'm going to pop this open right here. And I say this so many times that, again, I have a focus on direction. And what do I mean by that? Again, when something is showing signs of an uptrend, it's just so much easier to go with the flow and add to my position size, as you guys can see that I did. So I bought 50 shares. This was during the Learn Plan Profit live trading session. I added an additional 150 shares. It wasn't a huge position size. 200 shares total. Sold my 200 shares at 170.21. I actually got out at a very good price point. And then again, Diaz aggressively sold off, right? I bought 100 shares at 168.10 and then added to my position size at 168.80 as it was indicating signs of an uptrend. So it was showing signs of growth. So then I'll add more to my position size. It's not about averaging down. It's going with the flow. If something begins to go south, then that's when you begin to manage your risk. We were still trading above the middle VWAP. It was still indicating signs of an uptrend. And then I locked in profits at 169.99. That was with a limit order. So I locked in profits and it hit highs today. Well, I'm not actually sure how high. Hit highs today of 173.06, and then ultimately came back down to the middle VWAP and ended up changing its direction, and that was it. So again, altogether $584 profit with 2 day trades, and it was just so efficient. If you guys have seen my past couple of days trading, I've just been really waiting for confirmation, and then as soon as I hit my daily goal, yes, I know that I am missing out on maybe more profit and all that stuff, but I've solely been focusing on just hitting my daily target every single day. And again, a goal is something to work towards, not something that you have to hit every single day. But if I can pat myself on the back, I think I've been doing an absolute amazing job, staying efficient, allowing and waiting for an opportunity to present itself. So when it does, I go in, I attack, I lock in profits, and then I walk away. It does suck seeing that, hey, things are still, making money, but again, big picture, I just want to focus on my confidence, on gaining experience, and feeling comfortable with what it is that I'm trading. So that's really just it. It was a very simple day for me when it came down to the overall market. The market is still open for about an hour and a half more, right? Yeah, so market opens at 2 o'clock, closes at 2 o'clock now here in Arizona. But just a friendly little reminder, again, if you didn't get to tune on in to this morning's live trading session, I'm sorry that we missed you, but I do want to invite you that if you do want to tune in to tomorrow's live trading session, we are again hosting our biggest sell ever. It's not $75 off, it's not $50 off, it's $100 off. The spots are limited, and this will give you access to the Learn Plan Profit course. This will give you access to the live trading every single day, so you can see me trade live every single day, and then you can work with me on a closer basis and having access to the Learn Plan Profit Discord chat. Feel free to refresh your screen if you don't see it. It's the first link below. And if you have any questions before signing up, simply send me a direct message on Discord. Don't message me anywhere else, just simply send me a message on Discord. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. A quick little shout out to all of you guys. I don't know if you guys have checked, but on Facebook, we now have 233,000 members, making us, again, the largest Facebook group in the world for those that day trade in the stock market. That's that second link below if you guys want to join. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We have a little bit over 653,000 subscribers on YouTube, and then we have a little bit over 133 followers on Instagram. Just a friendly little reminder, this is my only Instagram. There's so many fake Instagram accounts, so many fake Twitter accounts of me. Again, I have one Instagram and one Twitter, that's all. So if you guys want to follow me, feel free to do so. I post little stories from time to time. Oh, huge shout out to our Learn Plan Profit member, Ceci. She made $900 profit today while she's traveling. Then we asked a couple questions. I actually posted my profits too. Looks a little nice, right? Don't forget to answer the poll as well. Made $584. So, but yeah, I really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, feel free to drop any comments down in the comment section. Like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take